Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make penne alla vodka. This is classic Italian deliciousness right here, and it's super easy to make. Start by bringing a large pot of salted water to a boil and cook 1 pound of penne pasta according to the package directions. Then over here in this pot, we're gonna make our sauce. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium-high heat, and then we're gonna cook 1 white, or you could use a yellow, diced onion for about 5 minutes. You're looking for the onions to just start getting soft and translucent. Then we'll add 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. I always like to do freshly minced. A garlic press is always handy for that. And with garlic, you really only need to cook it for about a minute until it's nice and fragrant. And now for the good part, pour in 1/2 cup of vodka. Don't worry, all of the alcohol will cook out so you can safely serve this to anyone, but this right here is the classic ingredient for penne alla vodka. This sauce has a little heat, so with the garlic, you want to add in about 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. You'll also pour in 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes and add in 1 tablespoon of dried basil. We're gonna let this simmer over medium heat for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes is enough time for the sauce to reduce and for all of the alcohol to burn off. Once your pasta is al dente, go ahead and drain it, and then we'll finish off our sauce by adding in 1.5 cups of heavy cream. You know that's gonna be good. And then 1 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper. Give it a stir and let this simmer for about 5 minutes. You gotta love how this sauce is nice and creamy. Then we're gonna turn off the heat and stir in 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and freshly grated will melt better. And stir that in until it's all melted. Last but not least, add in all of that cooked penne. Give it a stir and make sure all of that pasta gets coated in this beautiful sauce. You want to serve it up hot, and you can top it with additional shredded or grated Parmesan cheese. This one is always going to be a winner. Listen, the classics are a classic for a reason. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.